scammers. I had a call from someone, though I fell for it, probably due to I needed money. I got this contact from Facebook. Unknowing to me, this contact was cloned Facebook account or even stolen account because this person was a well-to-do person and a well-known figure. So I felt this account actually belonged to this person. I contacted her through Facebook. I tried doing some chat ups with her. Though I never called, it was until I was convinced that I could put in money to maybe do the doubling effect the way it is. I was convinced, and so I put a call across. And so the man that picked the call, and I was told that if I put in any amount of money, that is going to be tripled, not even doubled. I saw it to be a good opportunity to use and do and make some kind of investment in what I wanted to do, because I needed money badly at that time. So in the long run, I actually did. I contacted this person. He told me it was going to be very effective, that there was no bad side of it, or there was nothing bad that was going to happen to the money, that it was actually going to be doubled or even tripled, and he would send me back my money. That they used the money for business, which was actually trading. He told me it was trading. First of all, I was skeptical about it. So in the long run, he called me. He called me several times, and that was what even got me more skeptical. He called me. I told him I wasn't sure I would do it. He said it's not scam, and he was going to make sure he sees to it that it's not scam. At first, I hesitated. Later on, he called me again and convinced me that he was a father of children. He convinced me that he was a husband, a Christian, that he wouldn't do such thing to me. After saying all these things, of which I told him that I'm a hustler, and I felt he understood that. I felt he took that to heart. From all that I explained to him and his reply to me, I felt he was actually true to his words. So I sent the money to him, hoping that I'll get the money back, even if it was just the 8,000 naira, as little as it was, that I would get back. I called him after sending the money to him to confirm that the money had got to him. He said yes. He told me 1 hour time that he was going to call me back. 1 hour time passed. I gave him another 1 hour. I then called back because he didn't call me. So when I called back, he said he was going to call me and I should hold on a bit. So I held on about 1 to 2 hours more. I then called back. He didn't pick. I was actually scared. I didn't know that my fear was going to be true. So later on he picked within that time I called. Next thing he told me was my money was gone due to the trade failed. I started questioning him that was not our bargain from the onset. That he assured me that the trade wasn't going to fail, or whatever it would be, I would get back my money. The next thing he did was to end the call. So he hung up on me. I tried calling back. I sent him text, hoping he would listen, even if it was just to give me back my 8,000. In fact, I even sent him text to send me just 5,000 naira, not even 8 again. Okay, at least 3,000 naira. I did not see 50 naira. You can imagine how harsh, how wicked-minded these people can just be. So I lost. Probably some persons may think it's out of greed. I needed money. It wasn't greed. I needed money. I would advise everyone out there, you should be wise. There is no such thing as doubling. No such thing as doubling. Work hard, your money will be doubled. If you are going to trade, it's simply because you are working hard. Every work you do is a risk. Take a sound and wise calculated risk. Giving someone to double your money for you is a foolish risk. That is not work. I would advise people to work hard. Take a good calculated risk. Even if you bet, you are betting with your money. You are taking a calculated risk, one of your own.